What is up, my incredible, amazing, awesome YouTube friends? My name is B, and this is the sickest garage on the YouTube platform, and we are going to transform a 2024 Kia Telluride interior only, and I'm so jazzed. This is the first 24 Kia Telluride to grace my garage, so I'm so excited to detail it with you guys. This is going to be sick. Leather seats, there's some dog hair, the customer has a couple of kids, and it's gonna turn out pretty amazing. It's gonna be so sick. This is gonna be a fun transformation. It's not incredibly dirty, but it definitely needs some of the B love. So let's go give it to it. Let's do this. I definitely don't stage any of the details. I request that my customers just leave the vehicles in their natural state. Reason being that the videos turn out way funner. And if one of us is gonna detail the vehicle, it don't make no sense to detail it twice, right? So no pre-detail needed. This customer was awesome and agreed to not pre-detail the detail. So, but it wasn't really that dirty, but still, it's annoying when there's nothing in the vehicle and it's been vacuumed and stuff. So whatever. Let's go vacuum and use a tornado because it's awesome. Even in this late year of 2024, they still haven't figured out this carpet. It's still this awful back of seat carpet. We're just gonna use a tornado and force all that dust forward because it seems to work the best. The tornado method was working really well until I hit that cup holder and it launched. There were popsicle sticks and a couple other somethings in there and it exploded. Made a bigger mess. It's okay, it's cleaned up now. It's just silly. I should have probably vacuumed out the cup holder first. made a few complaints last time I detailed. I injured my brain. In my right hand, I lost the grip in it. I don't exactly know what happened, but it was hurting this week. A couple days off of detailing, resting the old hand. It still hurts, but my grip is a lot better. In vacuuming, I was a little worried. Customer said there was some dog hair in here. So awesome Lily brush, and Lily brushed the heck out of it. It hurts, but it's not unbearable yet. So that's good. We're making progress. The carpet's really not in horrible shape. The vehicle is quite new, but still we're gonna clean all the carpets just really, really quick to make sure that there's nothing hanging out in there, no sneaky stains. I was actually going in the Wayback Machine in my brain pan about when I used to film a long, long time ago, film these videos, and I used to do B's ever epic scale of carpet detailing on a scale of 1 to 10. Tons of fun. I'm not gonna do that anymore, but I was just thinking about it. I don't always use the steam cleaner, even though I typically prep it. I prep it just in case I need it. I really don't think I will in this case. Regardless, better safe than sorry. Let's clean the leather. These seats are actually kind of cool. They have cool designs to them, at least these captain's chairs and the chairs up front. I think that embossed or embedded X-line emblem is pretty sick. It's pretty. The plastics are in great shape. Let's just get them cleaned up really quick. I do want to throw out there, do not judge me because I'm using my left hand for the brushing. So the brushwork is not up to par, but my right hand hurts. So you get that tonight. You get me as a lefty. Have you ever had a moment where you've lost something and you just absolutely cannot find it? I clean the garage all the time and I was missing one of my applicating pads. I buy a bunch of the same stuff so that when I'm filming, I can have consistency in the products that I use. And so I have a ton of these, and I've bought new packs as time has gone on, but I lost one. The count in there was off and I could not figure it out for the longest time. I swept underneath one of my new age cabinets and there it was today, which is weird because I've swept a ton and I move these rolling ones out all the time, but there it was. I don't know how it got under there, but it did. CarPro, CarPro PERL on the seats and then on the plastics. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for letting me detail this Telluride. It was so sick. I hope that you love the results of this detail, and of course I hope you like this video. Made it through another detail without my wrist imploding. Oh yeah, well I guess it's like my arm. It's like right here. Hurts. Whatevers. This was sick. You guys are sick. I really appreciate the support and I am going to bed. Bye.